Alright, so this is the one that I ordered originally. This was the brand new pre-sale Half-Lick. So there it is. Rodeo Time. Pow pow. And then on the back it's got his logo there. For any of you wondering, I wear small because I'm a small guy. Designed and printed in Texas. Awesome. 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 So let's see my free one. Looks like got the Just Ranchin' with his logo on the sleeve, which I love. I absolutely love it when brands put their logo on the sleeve. I like wearing grunt style a lot too because they do that with the flag and stuff, but it's got his logo there on the sleeve, which I love. Big fan of that. So Dale has even got his own tape with his face on it. I know if anybody even decides to watch this, they're gonna be like, oh, you cut towards yourself? Yeah, I'm gonna do it just to make you mad. Just to make you mad that I didn't cut away from myself. Here we go. So, I ordered a bunch of stuff. Okay. Now, before you all go freaking out saying I have a bunch of money, I don't. I work on a farm. I work my butt off all day, every day, except for today. Punching out cows. So, what I originally ordered was a You Ain't No Cowboy feather flat bill, the Montana Silversmith Rodeo Time buckle, Super Puncher Bones t-shirt, and the Mustard Tribal Rodeo Time shirt. So, spent quite a bit of money. On the back, same exact thing that I read the other time, so let's get into this. So I'm going to open up the hats first, because looks like I got a few of them. Alright, so this is the one that I had originally ordered. I'm glad that he didn't accidentally give me the same Rodeo Time hat that I had. So, You Ain't No Cowboy hat with the feather, which I love. I'm gonna rock this all the time. It needs to be adjusted, but alright, so I got that one, which is sweet. One of these ones I'm giving away to one of my buddies. I don't know. I like this one. I like all of these, but Rodeo Time. This one's got the Rodeo Time logo on it. I like that it's black. I milk cows a lot too, and the chemicals on my gloves, I go to adjust my hat and it gets on the brighter brim, and yeah. Dale Brisby has some really, really good quality stuff. It's expensive, but it's really, really good quality. And I got an Olson hat, which I love. And on the front, on the brim, it's got the little logo there. Oh man, Rodeo Time on the inside. So, beautiful, beautiful hat. Alright, now, I actually want to get the belt buckle. Because who doesn't want to open up belt buckles? Alright. last time I opened this up funny. I'm not trying to be that funny. In this video. Just a normal unboxing for you. Okay. I'm trying to keep this box nice. It's right there. Got a nice rodeo time belt buckle there. Which I love, love, love. I love Montana Silversmith's, best buckle company out there. So it's really, really nice buckle. Man. Trying to keep my buckles and stuff. It's fairly nice. Not mess them up. Alright, next. This is one that I didn't order. This is one that he gave me for free. The Winnebago Texas Rodeo Dale Brisby logo on the back like the other one. Just nice. April 6, 1958. Winnebago Rodeo. And then I got another Just Ranching shirt. So I got two of the same one. Because the other one came with the other box I ordered the day before. So I don't think he realized it. So I got two of the same one. Which isn't bad. I'm fine with that. I order two of the same sometimes. So these are the two shirts that I did order. Again, nice on the sleeve. Love it. Super Puncher Bones t-shirt. And then is this one on the sleeve? Nope, this one's on the back. And then I got the Rodeo Time. This one's medium, a little bit bigger. Rodeo Time mustard t-shirt. So that's all I got from him. Thought I ordered one more belt buckle, though not sure. I'll check and see. That might have been, I'll see. I'll check in on that. But those are, got 3 hats, a few t-shirts, and a belt buckle in. So there we go. Quality stuff. Dale Brisby makes some of the best stuff out there. So this is one I got yesterday in the mail. And then this one, I've had this one I wear all the time. So here I got 3 Dale Brisby buckles, which you can't see because they're on the floor. But I got 3 of them now. So that's awesome. And I got this. So, alright. I got some work to do. So, I'm gonna head